Heidi ho, welcome to Slime Rancher 2. After a long day of slime ranching, Beatrix LeBeau was enjoying a cool glass of carrot juice as she watched the sun set across the slime sea. Suddenly a boat arrived at her dock with nothing inside but a mysterious letter. You have explored the far, far ranch, from the dusty shores of the dry reef to the farthest reaches of the perilous glass desert. But there are worlds yet uncharted. Beatrix LeBeau, Rainbow Island awaits you. Climb aboard if you're ready for a new adventure. I don't know why I'm giving him a ominous voice. Rainbow Island. It's very nice. Beatrix excitedly boarded the boat and took it across the slime sea. Eventually she saw an island unlike anything on the far, far ranch. Mountains, trees, and grasses, all in an array of colors that danced and moved like a dream. Oh, that's nice. As she explored, she found an abandoned conservatory overlooking the rest of the island. Curiously, it was equipped with everything a slime rancher like her would ever need. To wrangle slimes, start a farm, and build gadgets. That's convenient. I love that Game Boy. And so a new adventure begins. Beatrix tightened her boots, readied her backpack, and set out to explore Rainbow Island and uncover its mysteries. I know there was lore in the first game. I completed the first game. I just was more focused on exploring and gathering slimes, but this honestly seems really interesting. Nom. Give me you. Hey, where did you go? Give me you. Hello, friend. Get in my sack. Another friend. I can't wait to get the jetpack. I've already played this game a little bit, but I'm starting a fresh save because, adventure needs to be experienced with friends. Oh, no second. That's why everything's weird. I have my headphones on wrong. There we go. Already, this place looks really nice. That's a nice tree. It's a nice rock. Friend! Hello, friend. I know there are bunny slimes over here. Where are you? There's one. I love these guys. These guys are adorable. Look at you! I don't have any meat on me. Look at you! You're adorable. You're adorable. Come here. You're adorable. I want more. Come here. Actually, that should be enough. Last game, Slime Rancher 1, 6 slimes I found was generally the best because they're a lot more manageable. Probably 7, maybe 8 would be better, but 6 is what I usually like to go for. Look at them. They're all friends. Need your shits. That was the wrong button. Can't let you fuse yet. Need money so I can make higher walls so you guys don't escape. This game's really fun. Wow, everything's on high. I do hope that in this game they do fill out the entire board. That'd just be really nice. So I know it'd be a lot of slimes,
but last game they didn't fill out the entire board, and it's kind of sad, just because I like exploring the game. I like finding new things. It's just really fun. But this game's still in early access. Just a lot continue happy. Look at these little guys. Look at these happy little faces. They're ready to be explored or explore. No, they're not going to be exploring anything. They're going to be trapped in there for all eternity. That's fine. They're happy. So I'm happy. Hello, little guy. All of the music. Music's very nice. Hello, guys. How you doing? Doing great. Delicious carrot. Oh, there's more stuff down here. Hello, little area. Oh. Little thing. Probably won't be able to make that, but I certainly will try. Hey, I did it. Stony hens. This will be useful. So hens in this version are just really overpowered. I don't know why, but it just seems like they just produce so many chickens. Like last game, it would just be more efficient to merge meat eating slimes with veggie or fruit eating slimes. But honestly, this game, you can get meat eating slimes because it's actually encouraged. There's the Yolky slime, which you can do with chickens. They live in the chicken coops, and they help chickens lay eggs. And occasionally they'll lay a big egg with Yolky plurt. That's really fun. Hello. Access GG log. Here we are again. I'm setting the drones on an all-out original scouting locations. Once I can confirm the conditions are all the same, I'll get to work. This place, I still remember being in awe of these rainbow fields. It felt like being in a beautiful dream. And I guess, in a way, it was. Because it was ended much too soon. Well, that's sad. I don't want sadness in my adorable game with little guys. Oh, look at them little guys. Just bouncing around. Little guys. Ooh, I don't have any. Actually, I do have meat. There you go, buddy. I have enough for that thing. Look at you, you big fatty. You gotta be close. Probably like 20 more would probably do it. There we go. And there's a map. Hello, map. Even the map is happy. This game is so happy. I don't remember if the... Ooh. These are actually... I need these. I need at least one. Sorry, guys. Can't let you eat those. I need them. That's a resource thing. Hello. Access GG log. So I was in over my head when I first started here. I remember hauling Jellystone back to the conservatory by hand because I was so excited, breathless and sweating. I was going about everything all wrong, but I was happy. There's little time now, so I'll need these refinery links if I'm going to be efficient. This time, I'm going to do it right. Who's putting these? Is it the guy from last game? I don't think so. I'm pretty sure he died last game. If I remember correctly. My lore is a little bit rusty, so I don't know. Get me up here. I want to get to the thing. I want to get the map. The map. There we go. Well, it even puts the refinery link. This little area right here is really cool. Let's try to fill up that Gordo. Or is it again? I Auto access map. That's gadgets. That's the Slimepedia. Okay, he's just over here. Any carrots? One more carrot. Oh. I would like one more carrot, please. Wait, there's some more. Oh, there's more. So hard to see. One more carrots. Give me more carrots. I demand it. I require it for sustenance for the biggin. Well, I can give him some of the. Oh, you're full. That's adorable. Look at all of them. Ah, I love them. Last game, Gordos gave you keys. At least the wild ones did. I need you. Come here. I need the stony hen too. I don't need the carrots. Boop. Whoa. And then light show. Activate. That's actually to a new island, but I don't want to go there yet. I want to do my stuff over at the place where the things happen. No, I didn't like that music for a second there. It's very ominous. You're a little guy. You're a big guy, but still, you're a little guy. This game is so friendly. Alright, real quick, I need to build the high walls, and then I can start fusing these boys. Get you a glue, yeah. There you go. I'll throw one more in without much trouble. You can go there right now, huh? I should be able to make a farm. I'll do that. I need to get that stony hen back. Where'd he go? Oh no, where'd he go? Are you the stony? You're the stony. Right, these guys are gonna be fine. There's still one more that's not merged. Ooh, message. Victor! I love this guy. He has a really cool design. Hello? Hello, Beatrix. Do you read me? Testing. Perhaps you're lost at sea, taken away by the mysterious boat never to be. Oh, nope. I just forgot to turn the display on. Nice to see your face again, Beatrix. I have missed you greatly, my dear friend. And while I'm excited for you to partake in a new adventure, I already have data that might complicate things. Last night, I received a message from a sort of artificial intelligence program. It's written in code, but not one I recognize. I'm in the process of analyzing it. But I am certain that this message was sent from where you are now, the mysterious Rainbow Island. So recap, a mysterious boat takes you to a mysterious island, and I have received a mysterious code from said mysterious island. It seems all quite curious. Well, I've got work to do, and you best get exploring. Oh, I almost forgot. Take this home portal. It should make an early stages of your journey easier. Take care, Beatrix. We'll be in touch. I don't know why I gave him the ominous voice. That's probably fine. Aw, you're adorable. He's fine. And they're all little guys. Oh, look at you. I love them. They're mine now. I don't have to share them with people. Oh, really cool thing. You can call them back. Apologies, Beatrix, but I'm currently unavailable to engage in conversation, chit-chat, discourse, or even idle banter. Perhaps another time. Hopefully, there's a lot of cool things that are going to be happening in this game, I hope. I mean, already, it's fucking phenomenal. It's a great game. You look at them. They're little happy guys. Let's go explore a new area. Oh, you guys look so much more different. You're more vibrant and bright, which makes sense because you're phosphor. That looks interesting. Looks sparkly over there. Your drone looked tired. He had a long day. Did I just see a cotton slime just kill itself? Actually, it's not killing itself because this ocean is made out of slime. And whenever slime goes into the ocean, it just becomes part of that bigger slime. And eventually, it is, I'm pretty sure, if I remember this correctly from the first game. Hot Tabby! If I remember from the first game, they get pooped back out of the ocean as the same slime, or different slime. Something along those lines. I can't really remember properly. It's been a really long time since I've actually looked at Slime Rancher lore. Pretty sure it's this direction. What's this? Oh wait, that's probably, yeah, I'll knock it with that. I might as well go do that. If I can. I don't think I can. Not yet, at least. I would be able to if I had the jetpack early, but I can't make the jetpack yet. Jetpack takes resources that I do not have. That means the new area would probably be over here. There we go. Yeah. Yeah. Wait, yeah. Not down there. I need to go up first. I need more energy. Energy seems to be very important right now. There's the new portal area. I don't necessarily enjoy using these just because loading screens and that. Because the old game, it was all one big area that you explored. This might be temporary. If not, it doesn't really matter if it's temporary or not. I just preferred the old way, where it was just one big island. That was pretty cool. Look at little slime chases the hen. Look at him go. Going off on an adventure. Little guy. You can load now, please. I guess I'll just check Discord or something. There's a lot of nothing going on. Yep. Did it die? I have 120 frames right now. I don't think it died. You going to work, buddy? Well, that was a good video. Like, subscribe, comment, whatnot. I guess I'm done here. Just see ya.